when it's coming to trailers or car frames or car bodies, a lot of the time we get questions about how disassembled do you need that. Again, you just need to remember all non-metal parts have to be removed, so that includes lights, wiring, brake lines, hubs, axles, bearings, ball joints, anything with seals. All that stuff needs to be removed. All that stuff will get damaged significantly when we're blasting it. All of it would melt in the powder coating oven. Even if we're just doing a blast in like a primer for a car body, we still have to have that thing fully gutted. So when we're coming to cars, we like to have them fully gutted, no glass in them, all the wiring removed, get all the seats out, get any type of flooring, carpeting, anything in the roof, get all of that ripped out. We don't like to have the engine in it. Definitely need to have the fuel cell out because it's a fire hazard for us. So when we're blasting vehicles, we're not blasting a brand new, or a 2012 pickup that has rust over top of the wheel wells. We're not driving that thing into the blast booth and just going up to it with a really low pressure and hitting the rust. We don't. That's just not something that we do. It's too much of a risk to damage the rest of the vehicle. So when we're blasting vehicles, it's old car restorations where they're fully gutted, everything's out of it, so that way we can blast everything, get everything totally cleaned up the way it needs to be, and we don't have to worry about damaging any of the customers' parts.